Welcome to MS Auto Review, your go-to destination for the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the 2025 Toyota Corolla, a car that's been a symbol of reliability and practicality for decades, but this time, it's back with some fresh updates that make it even more compelling. Whether you're a Corolla loyalist or just curious about what this iconic sedan has to offer, stick around because we've got plenty to cover. The first thing you'll notice about the 2025 Corolla is its sleek, modern design. Toyota has refined the Corolla's exterior, giving it sharper lines and a bolder front fascia. The updated LED headlights now stretch seamlessly into the grille, creating a more aggressive and dynamic look. The FX Special Edition trim adds an extra dose of flair, with satin black 18-inch alloy wheels, black exterior accents, and a distinctive rear spoiler that amplifies the car's sporty character. The new paint options, including vibrant shades like Blue Crush Metallic and Ruby Flare Pearl, give buyers more ways to express their personality. Beneath the hood, the 2025 Corolla balances efficiency with spirited performance. The standard 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine pumps out 169 horsepower, paired with a continuously variable transmission (CVT) that ensures smooth acceleration. This powertrain delivers excellent fuel economy, with an EPA estimated 31 mpg in the city and 40 mpg on the highway. For those who crave even better efficiency, the hybrid model pairs a 1.8-liter engine with an electric motor, producing 138 horsepower while achieving up to 50 mpg combined. The hybrid is also available with all-wheel drive, making it a more versatile option for drivers in diverse climates. Inside, the Corolla's cabin feels upscale and thoughtfully designed. The FX trim features gray cloth seats with striking orange stitching, giving the interior a playful yet refined vibe. Higher trims offer Softex leatherette upholstery, heated front seats, and a power-adjustable driver's seat for added comfort. The spacious layout and intuitive control placement make the driving experience feel effortless, while the redesigned dashboard houses a larger 10.5-inch touchscreen that acts as the hub for the car's tech features. Speaking of tech, the Corolla comes packed with features designed to keep you connected and safe. The infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can seamlessly integrate your smartphone for navigation, music, and hands-free calls. The 7-inch digital gauge cluster provides crisp, customizable displays, keeping key information right in your line of sight. Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 comes standard across all trims, bringing features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert, automatic emergency braking, and road sign recognition to enhance driver confidence on every trip. In summary, the 2025 Toyota Corolla takes everything people love about this iconic car and makes it even better. It's stylish, efficient, packed with modern tech, and backed by Toyota's legendary reliability. Whether you're commuting to work, heading out on a road trip, or just cruising around town, the Corolla delivers an experience that's hard to beat in the compact sedan category. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews and industry insights. Let us know in the comments, is the 2025 Corolla your next ride? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, drive safe and stay curious.